Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick one of these cards today. Nucleus, the power within stars is the power within you. All right, which item has our quotes today? I'm thinking this. JOMO, joy of missing out, feeling content with staying in, and disconnecting as a form of self-care. Affirm, in my world, nothing ever goes wrong. Everything that has happened to you is in divine order. You become the witness to your life. These aren't problems that I have to be absorbed with. Make your own rules. Stop clinging to what everyone else thinks you should do, how they think it should be done. Find your own way. Trust your instincts. Commit to your own voice. Don't explain yourself. Don't ask for permission. When things aren't working out, the universe is trying to protect you. So pay attention to the signs, slow down, and go within. Practice releasing the emotions of fear, guilt, and replace them with love, forgiveness, and kindness. Release the guilt by forgiving yourself. Send guilt out of your life beginning now. And the last one today. Make a conscious decision to put love behind everything you say and do. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.